Protecting your metatarsal on the job site is a requirement becoming more and more common these days. Protecting the what? The metatarsal. It's the bridge part of your foot, and having something heavy impact it can cause tremendous mobility issues. So shield up with this week's feature product, the Metatarsal Protector from Impacto. For decades, footwear protection has been focused on toes and puncture resistances, leaving the rest of the foot vulnerable to accidental strikes. Impacto designed a device that deflects and disperses the impact of falling loads into a guard that fits on top all safety shoes and boots. Made of an extremely tough yet lightweight polycarbonate material, the Met Guard is non-conductive for both heat and electricity. It has also been tested to conform with stringent worldwide safety footwear standards, meeting the minimum impact resistance of 75 pounds. Secured in place by your work boot laces, the guards are a universal fit, no matter the shoe size. But if visitors, salespeople, or clerical workers need to be on the job site with metatarsal requirements, a set of optional straps can be used for an easy, economical way to make sure everyone is walking around compliant with all safety regulations. But where can I get those Met Guard straps? So strap on the Metatarsal Protector from Impacto for an economical way to protect your feet. What safety regulations does your job site have? Let's discuss solutions for it in the comments below. And subscribe to our 100% Canadian channel for more unique products. Thanks for watching!